So this is the camera itself. It's a PowerShot G7 X Mark II. And this is the tripod, which just look at how beautifully it's packed in tissue paper. It's literally like a gift. Yeah, I really like these tripods because they're so flexible. That's my tripod, and honestly it feels really strong. So let's see what else we get in our pack. So let's take that out. And that's it, yeah. So that's everything in the box. Got the memory card. It's a 32 gigabyte, 20.1 megapixels, 24mm wide, that will be the lens, Wi-Fi certified. Now I don't know what that means, if I'm going to have to look that up, and I'm also going to have to look that up. So let's open it up. So as soon as I open the flap, we've got some more information here. So it's telling me that this camera here, it can connect to a printer, it can connect to a phone or an iPad, iCloud, your laptop, and that's probably to another camera there. Get the most from your PowerShot by registering at, and then it's got this address here. You just register it there, and then you open this flap, and then there's more information. User guide and software can be downloaded from the Canon website. Okay, so that's good to know. The Canon European warranty system. Then we have this. I think this is the manual, yes, of how to use the camera, which I'm definitely going to have to use. The power cable. We've got the camera itself here. Okay, so let's have a quick look, and this is it, where it connects to the tripod. Okay, so this camera cost £500. I didn't buy it myself, it was actually a gift from the kids. Right, and then let's see what else we've got in here. Okay, so this looks like it's the battery charger. Yeah, pretty much. One battery there. This is the bit that goes in there.
So here we have the card slash battery part, so you just have to open it and you'll put the SIM card in there and then the battery in there. That's just where it lives. And then in this dial you've got the different types of settings. So manual, this one I think automatic. You'll have to play around with it obviously, and you get to change the aperture and things like that once you use it. We will see when we put the battery in. And then there should be a flash button somewhere. I'm assuming it's this. We'll have to see when it comes, when we turn it on. And then here you connect your cable, the USB cable, as you can see. That's the record menu. So once you've recorded things, if you click on menu, you'll have options, or you can go on here and you can see the different videos. Put it in like that. And then next we're going to put the SIM card in.
Or the memory card.
Whatever you want to call it. That'll be, there we go. And I'm going to lock it. And I'm going to try and turn it on now. And it's on. And these are the different settings. This is it. You can set the date and time. It's actually a touchscreen model, as you just saw. So you click this for focusing. So for example, if I wanted to focus that, or if I wanted to focus this, and if we go on here, it shows you what you've already previously taken pictures of, which we haven't yet. We'll go on the menu, image quality, and use the dial to go up and down. You can use your fingers if you want to, you don't necessarily have to use the dial. Set button. This is the settings, if you will. And then you click menu again when you want to go back to the regular screen. Now, if you want to look at this, it's currently on auto, but if you want to put it to a different setting, so we've got shutter speed, aperture, manual, custom. So manual, you get to control everything. With aperture, it prioritizes the aperture. Flicking through the different settings, it'll explain what they do and what they are. So for now, we'll go on auto while we test the camera out. There we go. And then to shoot, I'm assuming you click this. So for example, we're going to record the fan. Okay, now it's recording. And as you can see, that little square is the focusing thing. So if I wanted to change the focus, you just click on whatever you want for focusing and it blurs out the other stuff. Well, now that we've recorded it, we can look back at what we recorded and you can watch it. I don't want to hear my voice. You can skip, play, trim, delete, just go back. And then, how do I delete this? Oh, see the little bin there? You just gotta, like that, and then cancel or erase, like so. Click that again when you want to go back to the screen button. I'm assuming there's a flash, and then a light should come here. Oh no, this is picture. Oh my god, this is a picture. So it also takes pictures, as you can see. You can see that there. Looks a bit like Wally. I'm gonna try the flash out now with the picture. And that's with flash. This is the setting you'd use for the flash. So you've got auto, and then if I go back on it, and then you've got, go back there, then you've got off, on and off. Close this down, use your fingers to push it down. And that is all for the camera for now. Check the info, which just, it gives you a grid, so you can do low horizon, mid horizon, high horizon, rule of thirds. It's really good for composition. And this is also drive, as you can see, it explains there. Single shooting, that's what we'll go for now. And that's all we've got for today. I'm just gonna turn it off and the lens will go in. That's all we have.